Welcome to day 6. Go, 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 go. I'm walking to Dalat again for breakfast and coffee. Got myself another banh mi. The best bread in Asia. They don't have coffee here, so I need to hit up a coffee place nearby. I've got something really exciting planned today. I'm going to go to see a waterfall and I'm going to go on a roller coaster. See you on the road. I didn't have to pay for a ticket for parking, which is quite strange. I think I have to pay on the way out, I'm not sure. Let's go get a ticket. So it's 200,000 for a ticket. It's not busy. It's the longest alpine roller coaster in Asia, I think. It says no cameras or like selfie sticks, but I've got a camera and a selfie stick. Let's see how that gets on. Go, 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 don't brake, don't brake. Okay, brake a little bit, brake a little bit, brake a little bit. Fuck, 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 fuck. Awesome. Fuck. Wow, it's amazing! Oh! Hey, I don't like heights. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. What? Shit. Actual moments of terror. What? Shit. What? That was awesome! Yes! At the bottom of the coaster, you're greeted with this awesome waterfall. So yeah, the waterfall's epic. The roller coaster, so good. I'm just gonna follow the path down and see what's down here. What's that? Boom. Oh yeah. Boom. Oh yeah. It's a dinosaur! They're ugly dinosaurs. So ugly. What do you think? I don't know where to go now. The roller coaster just brings you down to the waterfall. Maybe I'll get the roller coaster back up. Well, that was awesome. It's well worth it. Let's go. It started to rain where I was, so I've just ordered omelette with bread and some homemade yogurt. Turns out I ordered fried egg with bread. So simple, so good. I've got a dessert this time, homemade yogurt. Vietnamese homemade yogurt. Also, I'm gonna do some laundry tonight. Wash my clothes, travel style. I'm back at the hotel and it's budget time. The hotel is the same as yesterday, 206,500. Food and drink, I spent 185,000. For activities, I've spent 203,000. Well worth it, by the way. And that's a total of 594,500 Viet Dong. And that is exactly on budget of $25 US. I think tomorrow is just going to be a relaxed one.